What are the 7 practices in the PRINCE2? Begin with the all 7 practices. So first is business case. So business case is a practice which basically focus on the scope, what we required, what we are going to deliver, how we are going to do that. So it's a decision making document. Second is talk about the benefit management method, how we can get the benefit and how we can provide more and more benefits by delivering this project. Also, we talk about the sustainability management approach, which focus on the earth and the go green plan also, like water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and many more. Second practice, focus on organizing. Organizing means defining your project team, team resources, project team, project management team structure, hierarchies, project board, senior users, senior suppliers, support, assurance, and many more roles which required in your project, which you can customize according to your project hierarchy and requirements. Basically, you can define the roles and responsibility and accountability for the resources, who's going to do and what they are going to do and when. Third one is the plans. So how many plans we required, like project plan, stage plan, and then team plan. So different type of plans are required. The fourth one is a risk, which is focus on threats and opportunity, uncertainty, uncertain event, risk responses, identifying the risk throughout your project, who's going to take care, who's going to perform, who's the ownership, and who's the action owner. Then we have a progress. Progress is plan versus actuals, how much you are going to take care, what is the forecasting, what is remaining, how much we require to complete, what are the issues, lessons learned. Then next is your issues, which basically focus on management considerations, management support, and changes like request for change, off specifications, problem and concerns, defects, how you are going to modify and how you are going to make the changes. And the last is quality. So quality is the ultimately goal for the product, as PRINCE2 is completely based on product and focus on product also. So the basically what we are going to deliver, that is also important in quality practice. So I hope you understand very in a nutshell what are the principles and practices, how you can align with that.